In this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile picture on Snapchat or how to change Snapchat profile picture. So it's very easy to upload or add your Snapchat profile picture. Click here profile icon and then scroll down below. There is an option called create Bitmoji. So select create Bitmoji and then select male or female avatar and then place your head in this circle and choose your generated avatar. And also you can click this plus icon and you will get more avatars. So select the avatar on your choice and then click continue. Now you can customize your avatar like hair, color, beard, mustache, glasses, etc. I am doing this real quick and then click save. Now it asks you to choose an outfit, so click yes and then you can customize your outfit too, like t-shirt, jacket, suits, pant, etc. I am doing this real quick. It is very easy. You can do this easily and then click save. Now you can see I have successfully changed or updated my Snapchat profile picture, and this is how you can add or change your profile picture on Snapchat. Now if you found this video is helpful, then hit that like button and also subscribe button. I make more videos like this, so thanks for watching.